In the next 20 seconds, I'm going to explain to you 3 exercises to help prevent back pain. Exercise number 1 is a transverse abdominis activation exercise. Exercise number 2 is a standing march. And exercise number 3 is a all fours leg extension exercise. To perform exercise number 1, you're going to start laying on the floor. In a nice comfortable position to start with your knees bent, you're going to place your hands on your hips and then slowly tilt your hips back so your low back presses down into the ground. You should feel some slight tightness into your core up front. Make sure you can't stick your hand in behind and that back is just gently pressing into the floor. From here, you're going to take a nice deep breath in. Then you're going to exhale, lift up one leg. Breathe in. Exhale, second leg comes up. Breathe in again. Exhale, first leg comes down. And breathe in. Exhale, second leg comes down. Make sure when you come down, that back doesn't come up off the floor. Keep that nicely active neutral position the whole time. Breathe in. Exhale, come up. Breathe in. Exhale, up. Breathe in. Exhale, down. Breathe in. Exhale, down. Exercise number 2 is a standing march. Starting in a standing position, what you're going to do is place one hand in front, one hand in the back. Tuck your tailbone underneath to a nice neutral active position. Then from here, you're going to slowly shift your weight into one leg and then bring the other leg up. Once you're up here, you got to make sure to keep that tailbone nice and tucked under and then slowly come down. Shift over to the other side. Come on up, keep that nice tight position and then slowly alternate sides. Exercise number 3 is an all fours leg extension exercise. Starting on all fours, make sure you push up on the shoulders, tuck your hips under so you're in a nice tabletop position. From here, you're going to slowly take a nice deep breath in. As you exhale, tighten up your stomach and slowly extend one leg out. Make sure you don't arch into your low back. Keep that nice tucked position and then slowly come back. Again, breathe in, exhale, come out. Slowly come back, nice and controlled on both sides. The reason why these 3 exercises are so good at preventing back pain is it really helps to work on our core activation, building that nice stable trunk to help support that back. In exercise number 1, when we're working on transverse abdominis engagement, those muscles are those deeper muscles where they connect onto the base of the spine. And that really helps to work on building that structural support and that integrity for that low back. In exercise number 2, when we're doing that marching exercise and we're really working on keeping those hips tucked underneath, that exercise in a nice active position helps to also lock in that trunk, make sure our back is nice and strong and stable, and we have nice control over that whole area. Lastly, in that 3rd exercise, the all fours leg extension exercise, we're really working on, again, keeping that nice structural support, nice and control, our core is working, and we're moving our leg, making sure that that stability in our low back is still there and we're not arching into that low back and losing that core engagement. Practice these 3 exercises and work on improving that core strength, improving that support for your low back, and it will help prevent back pain. If you found this video helpful, check out my other back pain videos.